Today we're going to have a lot of fun with a very special letter. Can anyone guess which letter it is?
Letter A.
That's right. It's the letter A. The letter A is the very first letter of the alphabet. Can you say A with me?
A.
Let's look at how we write the letter A. We start at the top, go down on one side, then up and down on the other side, and finally we draw a line across the middle.
Ta-da!
Today you'll learn 25 words that start with the letter A.
A is for apple.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Apron.
Apron.
When we paint or help cook, we wear an apron to keep our clothes clean. It's like a superhero cape for artists and chefs. Ant.
Ant.
Look down at the ground and you might see an ant. These tiny workers are strong and work together in their ant family. Arm.
Arm.
Can you wave your arm high in the sky? Your arm stretches from your shoulder all the way down to your hand. Airplane.
Airplane. Push.
An airplane flies high above us, taking people across the sky to places far away. Alligator.
Alligator.
With its big mouth and long tail, the alligator is a mighty creature that lives in rivers and lakes. Acorn.
Acorn.
This little nut falls from oak trees. Inside is a seed that can grow into a giant tree one day. Apricot.
Apricot.
This small orange fruit is sweet and soft. It's delicious to eat as a snack. Arrow.
Arrow.
An arrow is a stick with a point that flies through the air when shot from a bow. Antelope.
Antelope.
The antelope is a fast and graceful animal, hopping and running across the wild lands. Astronaut.
Astronaut.
An astronaut travels to space in a spaceship, exploring stars and planets far beyond Earth. Avocado. Inside this green fruit is a yummy, creamy treat. It's delicious on toast or in salads. Alpaca.
Alpaca.
This friendly, fluffy animal gives us soft wool that we can make into sweaters and hats. Award.
Award.
When you do something really well, you might receive an award as a special thank you. Arch.
Arch.
An arch is a curve that looks like a part of a circle. We can walk through arches in doorways or under bridges. Antenna.
Antenna.
An antenna can be found on bugs to help them feel around or on radios to catch music and news signals. Axe.
Axe.
This tool with a sharp edge helps us chop wood for a fire or to build things. Armadillo.
Armadillo.
The armadillo has a hard shell and can roll up into a ball when it feels scared. Ambulance.
Ambulance.
When someone needs to get to the hospital quickly, an ambulance comes with lights and sirens to help. Alphabet.
Alphabet. A, B, C.
All the letters we use to write words from A all the way to Z make up the alphabet. Artichoke.
Artichoke.
This green vegetable has lots of layers. When we reach the center, there's a delicious heart to eat. Amber.
Amber.
Amber is a shiny yellow stone that's actually very old tree sap. Sometimes it even has tiny bugs inside. Anemone.
Anemone.
This word can mean a beautiful flower in the garden or a colorful sea creature that looks like it's dancing in the water. Azalea.
Azalea.
In spring, the azalea bush blooms with lots of bright, beautiful flowers. Asterisk.
Asterisk.
This tiny star symbol, asterisk, can be found on your keyboard. It's used to point out something special in a story or note. Almond.
Almond.
Almonds are tasty nuts that are good for snacking. They're healthy and make our bodies strong.
What's next?
Let's round up all the new A words that we learned today. We discovered apron, which keeps our clothes clean when we create art or cook. We met the tiny, strong ant. We waved our arm in the air and imagined flying high with the airplane. We learned about the mighty alligator, living in rivers and lakes, and the acorn that can grow into a giant tree. We tasted the sweet apricot and followed the direction of the arrow. We admired the swift antelope and dreamed of being an astronaut traveling to space. We enjoyed the creamy avocado and petted the fluffy alpaca. We felt proud like receiving an award, walked through an arch, and played with the antenna. We chopped wood with an axe and curled up like an armadillo. We rode in an ambulance in an emergency and learned the entire alphabet. We ate a delicious artichoke, admired the shiny amber, and looked at the beautiful anemone. We saw the blooming azalea, used the asterisk symbol, and snacked on healthy almonds. That wraps up our amazing journey with the letter A today.
That was great!
But don't worry, our adventure doesn't end here. Join us next time as we dive into the wonderful world of the letter B.
Bye!